This thing had a slow leak. It was constantly losing coolant. Out of frustration, I filled this up to hot just to give me some extra to leak out, and then it stops leaking. So we are overfilled a little bit on that coolant reservoir, but that's okay. Leak is stopped, that's cool. Rusty, rusty, rusty. We'll get working on rusty here soon. Today we are taking a trip into town to get some insulation foam and maybe a couple other things. Brake fluid, engine oil, power steering, coolant. Check, check, check. Do a little tire check. Check the everything else. This still needs a clip or something. Maybe a zip tie. Just set it like that. It's kind of too bad it didn't snow this year. This truck does really good in the snow. Last year, would have had no chance getting out of here and anything else. Rusty sticks to the snow like Velcro. Oh. How's that fuel? Yeah, we need to check the electrical in this old truck. Why he's got a little bit of a sputter and why the RPM gauge is freaking out. It probably has to do with the bad connection. We'll get on it here soon. I just want to get that installation job done and the next video made for the RV rebuild, and then we'll get on to the truck, hopefully, depending on how I'm feeling. Check. Such nice weather this winter. It's freaking cold, but it's been sunny the past few days. It's great. This is a winter I can deal with. It's a great day. It's a great year. 2025 already. The best year ever. The golden age of America has begun. Absolutely beautiful day today. Oh, I love it. To make this dash, I think I'm going to go ahead and put a stereo in. I need one. Need some tunes. dash cam. Do you hear it? Something inside of it is rattling. I can't get it to stop doing that. It's gonna drive me mad. I'm gonna take it apart and squirt some hot glue in there or something. For some foam. Alright, I got a couple cans of foam. Only needed one, but you never know. I'd hate to have to drive it back. So I found some. So I needed just a little bit more or something. $15 each. Grab a little food and that'll be it. Quick trip, quick mission. Get back started on that RV remake. Ew, salt. I hate when they salt the roads. Actually, this is a parking lot, so it's probably not the biggest deal, but salt is horrible for cars. I think it should be banned. Alright, I got a paper towel. I got a roll, paper towel roll, toilet paper, and 4 cans of tuna. Got 2 loaves of bread at home I need to heat up, so tuna will be good for that. I'm not completely out of food right now. I just went shopping not too long ago. So that'll be good for this trip. Let's get back up into them hills. Get back to working on old patches. Once that insulation is done, we panel up. Maybe paint. I guess I don't have to paint, but then I'm going to use conduit to run wire around. I'm going to have everything external versus being run inside the walls. It'll be easier to work on, repair, maintain. I think it's going to look cool, what I have planned. Transmission doing great, no problems. I still have yet to have a nice long drive on a hot day to see if that hard shifting in a second comes back. But that transmission fix actually seemed to do something. Trusty Rusty, he never lets me down. Trusty Rusty, he gets me to town. I love this truck. Alright, you guys, stay tuned. Keep an eye on those gas prices going down. It's gonna be awesome. Food prices will be going down, just you wait. Beautiful new day here in America. Alright, you guys, stay tuned. We got lots going on in this RV. Got it heated. You'll see more of that when I get the video edited. Stay tuned. Got lots coming up. Beef tartare, round number 2. Let's try some chives on this one. And I mixed in the seasoning this time. I think it tastes a lot better not having the seasoning all sitting on top. Just grab a little bit there. These chives smell good. Probably should have mixed those in too, but I already made the meat bowl. Spread them out a little bit. Oh boy, that's looking a lot better than last time with those chives in there. Yeah, that's good. Let's try the yolk. That is good. Oh yeah, I love the chives. That's a nice flavor to have on the beef tartare. Milk goes good with that too, for a drink. Beef tartare and a glass of milk. It's delicious. I love anime. Watching this Tokyo 24/7 live stream. Right now they're in Shibuya. Really relaxing live stream. I love seeing these live streams from Japan. This is something I might share on Discord, but I have Discord, all my channels read only right now. I just need less distractions at the moment. So I'll come back to you guys at some point and start sharing more stuff, but that totally looks like the bridge from Serial Experiments. This is a 24/7, this is Japan 4K, Tokyo Walk, 24/7 Japan 4K. It's 2 a.m. right now. I'm trying to relax and go to bed. Dude, look at that bus. There's no way that's a real Volkswagen bus, is it? The Japan style Volkswagen bus? What is that doing there? It looks like a food stand, or a food, looks like a, oh, what do you call that? Food vendor? Austin from Discord shared this video, which is the 4K cab view Nagaragawa railway station, railway train Nagara, these words. And boy, it is such a beautiful video. Look at these old buildings over here. I love that. And the small mountains in the background, the medium-sized mountains in the background. I love these older style buildings. This video is beautiful. It's an absolutely gorgeous area of Japan.
Do you remember how to say zero?
Zero.
Zero. Zero.
Zero.
And how to say one?
Ichi.
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 Ichi. Do you remember how to say two?
Ni.
Ni. Ni. And how to say three?
Sam.
3 3
3
Do you remember how to say 4
4 4
4
4
4
4